we're seeing in the market is that there's a lot of conversations around customer experience, but there's not a lot of execution around it. So people are chasing a lot of different ideas, a lot of voices out there that are trying to find a way to play a role in helping companies figure out how to capture the voice of the customer and then turn that into something they can leverage to grow their business. So a lot of what we're seeing is distraction, so trying to narrow is important. The other piece of it is people want to be engaged on their terms, not on the terms of where we want to do it, so an outside-in view is important. To do that, you've got to have some hooks into the social media world. You got to be able to listen to Twitter, et cetera. A lot of companies are beginning to look at things like co-creation, just a different form of crowdsourcing on how we help customers engage with us to help us design our new products and services, and using their voice to be the design piece of it versus us going out and doing research and focus groups, et cetera. We engage them on an ongoing basis to try and solve those problems. One of the pitfalls that executives sometimes lose track of is that an organization can only take on so much change at one time. So a lot of times people chase a lot of shiny objects, spread the focus of the organization far beyond what the capabilities of the people and existing technologies and processes they're able to do. They need to focus, they need to narrow, select the 2 or 3 most important initiatives that are going to have the biggest impact first, and then follow a little bit of a lean startup methodology and bring in a new one after they complete one, and then continue to migrate over time as they create the transformation and accomplish their goals. Companies can align the people, process, and technology. First of all, they need to prioritize around the people part of it. The culture is a lot of time what will derail a large-scale change initiative. Processes and technologies are typically take care of themselves. Technology is an investment in the implementation, but the people can derail a good technology implementation as well. So start with people first, focus on processes that enable people to do their job, and then find the technology that overlays and enables the processes and people to work effectively.